What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and part 2 of opening the Galar mini tins. Today we're going to be opening the Saba one and the Yamper one, because in the last video we opened up the Ponyta, Rugi, and Swirl Bunny one. So if you would like to, either after this video or before, go check out that video. So let's just go ahead and jump into these. I'm going to start with Saba. And the coin is another Garchomp coin. We of course have a Sword and Shield pack and an XY Evolutions, along with the little Sabo card. Number 816, the Water Lizard Pokemon, height of 1 foot and weighing 8.8 pounds. So, without further ado, let's start off with XY Evolutions. Let's see here, I think it's 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Bada. And we got a Kakuna, a Charmeleon, Professor Oak's Hint, a Weedle, a Machop, a Tangela, a Vulpix, Fire Energy, a Reverse Holo Kakuna, and a Beedrill. Alright. And now for Sword and Shield. One, two, three, four, boom. Let's say Water Energy. It's Psychic. An Ordinary Rod. Bead. A Raboot. And Score Bunny. A Sinistee. A Maractus. A Pikachu. A Galarian Meowth, aka Homeless Meowth. A Reverse Holo Baltoy. And Morpeko VMAX. Ooh, full art. We love that. So let's just go ahead and jump into the Yamper one and let's see what we can also get in this one. So we have another Garchomp coin, sadly. That makes 5 for 5. Of course, Sword and Shield and XY Evolutions. And the Yamper card. Number 835, the Puppy Pokemon. Height of 1 foot and weighing 29.8 pounds. So, a heavy little corgi. But we love a corgi. Alright, let's go for XY Evolutions. Ba-da-boom. 1, 2, 3. Ba-boom. And we got a Haunter, an Energy Retrieval, another Kakuna, a Seal, a Magikarp, Electric Energy, a Caterpie, a Ghastly, a Reverse Holo Ponyta, and a Farfetch'd. Alright. And finally, the Sword and Shield pack. Why is this one giving me trouble? I knew you were in trouble when you walked in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy. And a Stark. We got Pokegear 3.0. Ooh, Aurora Energy. A Ferrothorn. A Baltoy. A Chinchou. A Krabby. A Minccino. A Galarian Ponyta. A Reverse Holo Galarian Stunfisk. And, a Delmise V. Nice. So we got 2 good pulls from the Sword and Shield packs. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.